how to ask for stuff or to do stuff. Let's now learn how to say thank you. Well, we've been doing that quite a lot during the daily lessons. To say thank you in isiZulu, we say ngiyabonga, ngiyabonga. Thank you. Repeat that after me, mngani. Ngiyabonga. That's it. Perfectly said. And that's really it. Ngiyabonga. In future though, we will talk about what to say when there is more than one person who is saying thank you. But for now, it's just you. So, ngiyabonga it is. We can then also add the person we are saying thank you to. So if we are saying thank you to mom, ngiyabonga mama. Thank you, mom. Ngiyabonga baba. Thank you, dad. Ngiyabonga teacher. Thank you, teacher. Ngiyabonga mngani. Thank you, friend. Ngiyabonga imaginary window. So, thank you, imaginary window. You get the idea, right, mngani? Now, let's review all that we have learned about please and thank you ngesiZulu. Translate the following sentences into isiZulu or isiNgisi. Number 1, ngicela incwadi. Ngicela incwadi. Number 2, may I please have a green t-shirt? May I please have a green t-shirt? Number 3, gogo, ngicela igwinya. Gogo, ngicela igwinya. Now remember, mngani, igwinya is an isiZulu word. So when you use it in English, you just simply say igwinya. Number 4, may I please sit? May I please sit? Number 5, may I please have a red belt? May I please have a red belt? Mngani, how did you do with that? Let's go through the answers together. Ngicela incwadi. Ngicela incwadi. 2, ngicela isikipha esiluhlaza. 3, grandma, may I please have igwinya? 4, ngicela ukuhlala. 5, ngicela ibhande elibomvu. Wonderful work, mngani. I am so proud of you. Wonderful. Ngiyabonga mngani. Sala kahle.